हाय गाइस, तुम्हारे और आईएम के बीच में कोई खड़ा है. एनीबडी स्टैंडिंग बिटवीन यू एंड द आईएम्स इज अ डीएलआर सेक्शन. ऑफ कोर्स verbal and quants are there, but DLR is going to be a game changer this year. Why? Point number one, the five reasons we'll talk about. Number one point on the list, and I've talked to at least 4 or 5 toppers in the last couple of days. By topper I mean those who are scoring 120 130 plus in the mocks even with a new paper pattern. They have said the same thing. So DI logic selection of the set is the most important problem because time is not there. 40 minutes time. Yeah, okay, look back in your mocks. There have been times when you spend 15 minutes 18 minutes on a set. If you got it right, great, but if you could not get it right even after 15-20 minutes, you are gone. Your full section will go for a toss, and that is the number one issue you are going to face. So for that point of view, you have to put a timer to the limit to your performance. So what I normally say is, if the set is there in the database में दिमाग में है, पहले कभी किया है, if you've solved a similar set earlier, हाथ डालो, नहीं तो चुपचाप छोड़ दो. Do not waste too much time per set. Set selection is the most one part. Even the toppers are feeling. See, गरीब आदमी getting confused makes sense, but if अमीर आदमी is getting the same problem, sir, the mock where I'm unable to manage my timing, or if I get stuck with the wrong set, that day go for a toss. This is a topper ka wording who is normally getting 16 question correct, 4 set correct in every mock. But whenever he fumbles, he get 2 set right. So the performance becomes suddenly half. So you have to manage your time. So put a timer per set कि मुझे इससे time waste नहीं करना है. Okay, otherwise it'll be a gone. So selecting the set is the most one task, and handling them in 40 minutes is going to be main problem. So set selection, number one point. So go through different type of questions which are there, different type of logic. If a topic comes similar to what you have done, sorted. Number 2 point on the list is the section is in the middle. Verbal. For verbal, you have to read. You have to read almost 300 words per question into 34 questions. So around 10,000 words you have to read. After reading 10,000 words, you have to start the DLR ka section. Yeah, and that's going to be main problem. Now, those who like to study in the night, those who love to sleep in the morning, रात को पढ़ के सुबह सोते हैं, and they got a slot in the morning, बॉस वहाँ जाके नींद आएगा ही आएगा, and you will be sleeping during the exam time. Same way, those who love to sleep in the afternoon, like me, दोपहर को जो सोने का मज़ा है बेटा मेरे से पूछो, जो मैं लॉकडाउन में enjoy किया दोपहर को सोना. Yeah, we are going to feel the problem in the afternoon time because दोपहर का time when you are sleepy, you are giving the mock. Section 1 you will pass, but during section number 2, the middle of the exam is going to be the main problem. Cricket match, the 50-over cricket match. Lot of people used to do that. I used to do that. They used to play the starting of the inning and the last 10 overs. Beach ka inning is tick tock होते रहता है. So we used to avoid that. Same way is going to happen. So DL logic section, this is psychological problem number 2. You will be feeling sleepy. The brain will not be working. You will be feeling very tired in the middle of the exam, and that is DL logic section. So for that you have to practice. In every mock, make sure you stick to the timing. Your exam timing have to be the same timing when you are actually giving the exam. You have to give the mock at the timing of the exam every day. Okay, point number 3 on the list is the difficulty level. Quant level have gone down from the earlier years. 2007-8 was the peak of the CAT exam, most difficult exam. Open up CAT 2007-8 का paper, you will understand that. दो से नहीं सर, तो अभी भी टफ है वो, ठीक है, अभी भी टफ है, लेकिन early used to be double the level of that, have gone down. Verbal level have comparatively gone down, but DI logical level is still there. Yeah, and if you look at the chart, 2017 DI logic was difficult, 2018 quant was difficult, 2019 verbal was difficult. So 2020 वापस DI की बारी आनी चाहिए, but DI is always tough. Yeah, DI is anyway always little bit higher, so cutoff कम है. Exactly point, simple point. If this thing is high, the cutoff is low. Yeah. Point number 2. Point number 3 is take care of the cutoffs. You have to take care of the cutoff. There should be back of the mind all the time. So in case you're targeting the main IIMs, open category student, you have to do 2 sets right. 8 to 10 question correct is your guaranteed IIM call. Sectional cutoff clear at all for sure if you do 2 set correct. Do not over attempt. I'll make a separate video for that. Do not over attempt. जितना आपके मॉक में आ रहा है उतना एग्जाम में आएगा, ठीक है, तो ओवर अटेम्प्ट नहीं करने का. तो टेक अ पॉइंट कि उतना ही लेके जाएंगे जितना हम कर सकते हैं. सो आप वो कट ऑफ का, आई ऑलरेडी मेड इनफ वीडियोस फॉर कट ऑफ, so please check out the earlier videos. So I believe 2 set correct is guaranteed cut off clearing. So 2 set आपका टारगेट होना चाहिए. आप 3 करो 4 करो, टोटल योर विश, but minimum 2 sets is going to be your target. Point number 4 is doing the different type of question. Now DI logic section, every year they're introducing new type of question. Quant में वही गरीब यार, function graph, inequality, RC, para jumble, same pattern, same kind of question coming every year. DI logic, they're introducing every year new type of question, but still there are a lot of sets which are common. Games, one set every year. Games or tournament, one set every year. Quant based DI, one set every year. So they're typical sets which are coming every year. Logic based DI, 2 sets every year. Arrangement, one set every year. Here are a typical DI, calculation based DI, mild calculation, one set every year. So these are the typical questions you cannot ignore. You have to do them. So practice as much as you can so that we are abreast with all these things. So those who have joined our program or those who plan to join our program, just go through all the DI Logica workshop which have been done earlier. Game and tournament, हर एक हमने 2-3 workshops लिया है. So go through all the different type of questions which are there and we are sorted. So point number 4 is your different type of question. Going through different type of question, that is the most important. That's it. These are my top 5 things. Cutoff. Number 2, timer. 40 minutes of selection set is the most important thing. Number 3 point of the level of difficulty is going to be higher. Number 4 is different type of sets. Go through all the different type of sets. And number 5 is the exam is going to be in the middle. Yeah. So you have to decide how many questions you want to solve. 2 sets, 3 sets or 4 sets or maybe 5. But as per that, timer will go down. Yeah, 2 sets matlab I got 20 minutes per set. Very good time to solve per question. 3 set attempt on the exam day mean I am bringing down to 13.3 minutes per set. 4 question attempt mean 10 minutes per set. 5 question mean 8 minutes per set is too fast. I can't solve it. I can't solve CAD cover with accuracy within 8 minutes per set. So I personally go for 3 sets or 4 sets as your target. 2 karo yaar, no problem. Attempt 2 sets. Do all 7 right out of 8. Superb. You can clear the cutoffs. Yeah. So that should be your target. So those who are from the reserved category, minimum target should be 2 to 3 sets. Those who are from the open category, minimum target should be 3 to 4 sets. Yeah. And that can ensure you clear the cutoff. So all you have to do is time management become the most important part in the DLR section. So finalize your strategy. In next couple of days, I'll upload the video. We'll finalize our strategy for the next few days on the further attempt, how we're going to solve the CAD paper. All the best.